भाई सहित मु ऑलमोस्ट गोटे 6-7 वर्ष होलानी अछि आ भाई सबुठ स्पेशल जिन होची चकुली और मटर जोटा कि बहुत हाइजेनिक आ माने सकाळू माने मसला नाही तेल नाही
Dosa is the anglicized term, while in Tamil it's called dosa. Madrasi
लेंबुरो
dosa
माउसी
is a common term for dosa, reflecting its roots in Chinni, Madras. Dosa wala is a common term for a vendor who sells
ये लंका दली की लेंबू नो मारी की पूरा बढ़िया से
filling type of dosa.
आइटम जे बिना
South
पेस्ट
Indian
रो
dosa is a general term for any dosa prepared using South Indian recipes. Finding authentic dosa shops. Look for shops serving Madrasi dosa or South Indian dosa. Ask for recommendations.
जेहेतु हमर एटा टिके
In the
ह्यूमिडिटी
South India,
हमर एठी अधिक
word
समुद्र
of
पाखे रे
mouth is often the
तो
best
टिके
way
हल्का
to
फुल्का
find
खाया
dosa.
कहले भल लागे तो
Ask
सेति भाई को
friends,
दुकान प्रेफर कर
relatives,
चारटा
or
चकुली और
neighbors for their
मटर
favorite
एनफ
dosa places.
अब कुछ खाइबा
Check
दरकार
for
नहीं
shops
ब्रेकफास्ट
with
माने
established
हेवी नहीं ये नहीं
Some
खाइले
shops
ठीक
may
टाइम रे
have names
लंच
that
टाइम रे
indicate their focus on
माने
South Indian cuisine,
भोको भी हबो ये भी
like
हबो
Madrasi
कुछ माने ये
dosa
नहीं
or South Indian restaurant. Look for shops with a wide variety of dosa options. Traditional shops offer many variations of dosa beyond just masala dosa, like Mysore masala dosa, Ravai dosa, and more. Consider visiting areas with a high South Indian population. If you are in an area with a large South Indian community, you are likely to find many dosa shops. Understanding the flavor profile. Chutney. This is a key component of a dosa meal, often served with the dosa. Sambar, a flavorful lentil-based stew, also a common accompaniment to dosa. By using these tips and focusing on shops that specialize in South Indian cuisine, you'll be well on your way to finding delicious, authentic dosa. Starting a dosa shop, especially in Tamil Nadu, can be a profitable business venture due to the popularity of dosa in the region. Dosa is a staple food in Tamil Nadu and is enjoyed by people of all ages, making it a popular choice for breakfast and beyond. To succeed in this business, you need to focus on hygiene, quality, and customer service. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. Understanding the market. Popularity of dosa. Dosa is a well-loved South Indian dish, particularly in Tamil Nadu, known for its crispy texture and diverse fillings. Demand. The demand for dosa is consistently high, making it a good choice for a quick service restaurant. Location. Choose a location with high foot traffic and easy accessibility, especially in areas with a strong South Indian population. 2. Business plan. Business plan. Develop a detailed business plan outlining your target market, menu, pricing, marketing strategies, and financial projections. Capital. Secure the necessary capital for shop rental, equipment, supplies, and marketing. Menu. Offer a variety of dosa types, including masala dosa, cheese dosa, and others, along with sambar, chutney, and other traditional South Indian accompaniments. Hygiene and quality. Prioritize hygiene and quality in food preparation to ensure customer satisfaction and build a positive reputation. Marketing. Employ online and offline marketing strategies to attract customers, including social media, online advertising, and local promotions. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build a loyal customer base. 3. Operations. Quick service. Focus on quick service to cater to the fast-paced needs of customers. Menu variety. Offer a variety of dosa types and other South Indian dishes to cater to different preferences. Order management. Implement a system for efficient order taking and delivery, especially if you plan to offer online ordering or delivery services. Staff training. Train your staff on food preparation, hygiene, and customer service. 4. Key considerations for success. Branding. Develop a strong brand identity with a memorable logo and tagline. Technology. Consider using online ordering systems and POS software to streamline operations and improve customer experience. Customer feedback. Actively seek customer feedback and use it to improve your business. Sustainability. Consider eco-friendly packaging and waste management practices. By focusing on these key areas, you can increase your chances of running a successful and profitable dosa shop in Tamil Nadu. Go to any city in India and and you will find at least one Udupi restaurant that offers the best and authentic South Indian cuisine. South Indian cuisine is a lot more than the famous idli and dosa. Due to the immense popularity and demand for authentic foods originating from southern India, many Udupi restaurants around the country have experienced an amazing profit margin in idli business or dosa business. If you are wondering how to start idli business or dosa business in India, here is a step-by-step guide making it simple for entrepreneurs to prepare a dosa business plan. Step-by-step guide to starting an idli business or dosa business in India. 1. Which part of South India do you want to introduce to your city? South India has 5 states: Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala. Each state has its specialty and traditional cuisines. You thought there is a common recipe for sambar in all these 5 states? No. Karnataka has authentic South Indian cuisines such as Manglar buns, Kotte idli, Malgapuri idli, etc. Kerala has pizza, appam, etc. Similarly, every state is known for its specialty. You can decide which state to represent. You can also go with a combination of different South Indian dishes. 2 unique menu is a game changer. It is up to you if you wish to keep it an only South Indian restaurant or add other menu items as well. In India, people usually prefer South Indian foods for breakfast or evening snacks. You can introduce authentic main course menu items or also go with regular lunch, dinner menus. Make sure you explain every item with minute detailing to help customers understand what ingredients are used and how food preparation techniques differ after every 100 kilometers distance in India. 3. Where do you wish to start? There are a few tips you need to consider when you are hunting for the perfect location for your idli dosa business in India. It has to be a well-crowded area. Make sure it is visible to the right audience. It should be within your budget. It should have a pretty enough dining and kitchen space. Pass the vibe by designing customized ambience. 5 licenses that are mandatory. As per norms and laws by the Government of India, every food business should have a set of licenses. In case a restaurant does not have the required licenses, he or she is bound to pay penalties. Here is a list of licenses required for idli business in India. Health trade license, eating house license, shop and establishment license, NOC. If you are going to keep your business running after 11 p.m. 6. Hire the right staff is halfway to success. For any theme-based restaurant like yours, having an experienced staff is highly recommended. Right from cutting the veggies in the right way to preparing the authentic spices and dish demands hands that are either from the land itself or that are trained professionally. To hire such staff is a tough job, but that can be done easily by hiring agencies that provide experienced professional chefs, helpers, and waiters having expertise in South Indian businesses. 7. Let's shop. Every South Indian restaurant requires a set of commercial kitchen equipment to prepare everything right from batter to final dishes. Following are the important commercial kitchen equipment your Udupi restaurant must have: bread grinder, stainless steel idli maker, dosa bhatti, benri, dishwasher equipment, cooking equipment. To understand the details of this equipment, you can check out an exclusive blog where we have explained why this equipment is important along with tips using this equipment. You can simply order all the